Hey, it's Ken Barrett, Laundromat How To. We've got a Speed Queen washer here. It's an SC40BC, and we've got a bearing issue on our main bearing here. Kind of hear the rubbing and vibration there. So actually, we got to change out this whole part here, this whole trunnion. It comes, the whole piece coming. I believe it's the drum, pretty much half the machine. So while we're in here, we got it down for a couple of days. I'm going to take this motor out and get it rebuilt. It's running fine, but you can hear just a small noise to it. What you can do to test, get a little better sound for it, is shut your power off, take the belts off, and just put a screwdriver down in here, and then just push your ear up against this piece here. And what it'll do, it works like a stethoscope, and it lets you hear any sounds going on in there. But this motor's never been rebuilt, so while we're taking the machine apart and doing a bunch of the other stuff, it's a good time to take it out. I'll take it down to our local shop, get some new bearings put in, get it tested out, and you know, be ready to go. We'll put some new belts on it, new bearings, and actually I noticed a little vibration on this, so I'm going to do some grouting on the bottom here. I'll make another video on that just to kind of show you what we're doing on that. And but yeah, there'll be a bunch of videos and time lapse and other things to go with this over the next couple of days. So stay tuned. LaundromatHowTo.com.